I need to clean this little, it's like dirty and then the light and all that crap. Boy, quit getting on my nerves. I'm about to do this live video. I'm on Facebook Live, so chill with all that noise. As promised. Really? You just wanted to see for yourself? They coming. See? They starting to come. Hey, how's everybody? I need to make this go upright, though. I don't know how to do that. Without it being to the side, I guess I gotta unplug it. And if it start dying, I'll plug it in. Ekale. That means good evening for the people who don't know Yoruba. And Ekabo, welcome. As promised, hey, Afalabi, Eshu. Eshu always got to be in the building. Every time I'm on live, order Eshu. Oboru, Oboye. Omitola. How you doing, Ekale? Just spoke to you. How you feeling? Mama Kosawa, how you doing? Alafia, Mama Renee. How you doing, Ekale? Afalabi, you got to speak on this topic tonight. This is a good topic. I need all the feedback I can get on this topic. I'm going to wait for some more people to come in here. Hey, Mama Akila. Hey, Muideen. Hey, how are you? Good evening. It's been a minute since I've done a live video. I think this is going to be my last one for the rest of the year. Hey, Kale Fashegon, how you doing? How you been? Too long. I hope to see you soon. I kind of, what?
Is the chicken already washed?
Yes, it's seasoned. It's
so I don't gotta wash it?
Mm-hmm. So, the topic for tonight. You see me, Mama? I see you. Is the type of enemies. Now, this particular topic was presented by my husband at one of our Elay meetings, and it's great info. I said, look, we got to talk about these enemies because a lot of people have a lot of things misconstrued. Epa, osa, epa. Yo, Risha Bukula. Hey, thank you, Kelly. Long time. I miss you. Hug you. I just want to give you some hugs, girl. I can say hi to 10 million. It's going to be 10 million people on here. Hi to everybody. Hey, Ronnie. Hi. So I want to talk about the different types of enemies. And this is going to be like an open forum also because I want y'all to kind of give me some feedback on this. Now, this is the Yoruba aspect. I'm not Nigerian, Yoruba aspect of this topic. So feel free to get on in it. And I'm sure you can share your diasporic side of things and African American side of things because it really all meshed together. So I want to talk about that. Hey, Mama Amma, how you doing? How are you? Hugs. I'm sending you hugs. Aw. Hey, Mama Judy, Mama Yamoja. So let's get right into it. Okay, I'm by myself tonight doing this live, and it's all good. But y'all here with me, so let's get into it. So it's several different types of enemies, and everybody should be aware because even a nun has enemies. The sweetest, peaceful, little pretty butterfly has enemies. That's just the balance of the universe, the balance of life, prey and predator. It is what it is. And we need to be able to have our third eye and our all-seeing physical eyes open to be able to be discerning and to be able to understand that energy and know what's safe for us, what's not safe for us, how to protect ourselves by any means necessary, because that's very important. Very, very important. So let's get into the different types of enemies, and this is according to the Yoruba. Okay, the different types of enemies, and the name for enemies, and excuse my dialect, because I don't know how to really pronounce an enemy in Yoruba, but it's Ota. And so the classification is Ota, enemy. So you have the Ota Ile. You have the Ota Ile, the enemy that's within your house. Those are the most dangerous, because they know your every move. They know what you eat. They know what you wear. They know your every move. And the enemy in the house, it's easy for them to sabotage all your plans, to sabotage just everything about your life. So the people that's closest to you can be your worst enemy. You know, oboroboye ie osaepa ie funlayo. And so it's really good to stay on top of the Otaile, so they won't conquer you, because they can have you in bondage. Like, I ain't gonna, like a husband, a wife, a sister, a son, a mother, daughter, all of that. They can have you in some serious bondage. It's Ekale, Kairos, good morning, but Ekale, Ogbato, so Iyo Sosi, Ota Ile. Yes, Mama Amma, that's the enemy within the house. That's one of the most dangerous types of enemies. And a lot of people don't think that they own mama, or they own sister, they own son, or they own husband, they own best friend, or whoever, roommate, lover, whatever. They know all the details about your life. Yeah, they surely can get you slipping, because you won't suspect them. The other one is Ota Ode, the enemy outside the house. So the enemy outside the house, they don't know what's really going on, but they may be thinking, I wonder how they get that new car, or how they get that new job. There's always some type of jealousy, and jealousy. When it comes to somebody wishing bad things on you, witchcraft, or bato, Drea. Yeah, Mama Amma. Unfortunately, that's another part. That's a different one. So with people just seeing you glow up, and the more you glow up, the more enemies you get. It's just like how they acquire this is just a jealousy of somebody wanting what you want. Ia osabumi. Okay, I got you. Yeah. So then you have Otai Ikoko, which is the frenemy. the friend that come off as a friend, but really ain't. They just want to keep close to you, see what you doing, what you got, but they talk behind your back. They two-faced. They really throw you under the bus. All of that. Oh, epa oya. Hey oya boomy. So this is the one people also believe don't exist. They be like, my girl never do that. She down and all that. Meanwhile, that your homegirl's talking behind you, telling me she ain't shit. She ain't doing this. Unraveling your plans, or everybody got that one person that they confide in, and that person is running back leaking all your information. It's so many old dudes that talk about do not tell your business, because that person is going to leak your information, even knowingly or unknowingly. Somebody can be having just a casual conversation and just start talking about your business, and bam, things start unraveling for you, and you don't even know why. That's why. So then we have Ota Ibaba, that is the enemy within the house that brings in other enemies from the outside. So you got people that bring in This is deep, y'all. That bring in enemies from the outside, all kind people that you wouldn't even you like, damn, how they gonna be bringing this? These people been watching you from afar, especially this social media stuff. You got people that have been watching you from afar. They think they know you. They think they know all your business and things like that. I also call that the outside enemy. Otai Baba. And also, what my husband always say is someone is in the corner. So you got somebody in the corner throwing juju at what we call juju, hoodoo, medicine, whatever you want to call it, witchcraft, whatever you want to call it. They in the corner. You don't know who it is, but you ain't doing nothing. You can't see it. You don't know. Sometimes these people have you in bondage, spiritually in bondage, or they can have a spiritual veil over your face so you can't see. When you dream, you can't see. You like, damn, why my dreams ain't clear no more? Or when you doing spiritual work, and there's certain spiritual work that can break it, but you don't know which spiritual work, because some people don't want to go out to other specialists that can bust open witchcraft really, really well. Hey, y'all. So, they try to do everything, fix everything themselves. No, boo. Some things you can't fix yourself, especially if you're not well trained in certain things. Then we have Agbele Perium. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sure I'm going to be corrected by one of my Yoruba family. Agbele Perium. The enemy within the family. We got a lot of enemies. Hey, Baba, Kabi, Shango, Boroba. I know everybody here got somebody in their family. I've never seen a wholesome Cosby family ever. We got enemies within the family. We got them people that's like, well, why she don't never hook me up? Or, want what you got. They don't want to work hard for it. It's all, everybody got a family member like that. Hey, Maxine. Hey, beautiful. So you got to be aware of that, which can be very difficult, especially if you're, what's the word? It'll come to me. It'll come to me in a minute, but just taking on everything on your shoulders for your family. And people wear that guilt, they hold that guilt and things like that, and they're unaware of the families that take advantage of them and things like that, and don't wish them well. Then you have a la roca, the gossipers. The gossipers. That's the ones that really work with Yemi. That's the ones that's always stirring the damn pot. Always stirring the pot. They're very dangerous. They're Ota, Ile, and a la roca are the most dangerous enemy. Got the gossipers. Oh God, what's she? She this. Da 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 da. She ain't this. Da 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 da. She doing this. Da da da. Who she thinks she? Gossipers. Always. The difference with the Ota Ile is the enemy within the house, and the Agbele Perium, I think it's Perium is enemy within. What's the difference within the? Because just because somebody in your house don't mean there's family. As far as blood family, you got blood family that can be enemies, and then you have people in your house. Like your in-laws. You can have roommate, like me and my husband. We're not blood related, things like that. That is the difference. Oh, I'm gonna get to that in a minute. Yeah, about protection and things like that. Then you have Asini Tombani, enemy that does things to you in secret, but will come to you for the remedy or the offer incorrect medicine. Throw a rock, hide your hand. So you got people, if you're like, you having, let's say you've been having money issues, clients not coming, things like that, that person is really the one slowing down your money. But they want to come and be like, girl, I got some medicine for you to bring you some clients. Don't worry, I got you. And that remedy that they're giving you is not really the remedy. It is what's causing your problem. So they are secretly doing juju on you, and you don't even know. They smile in your face like, yeah, girl, I'm gonna help you. And they doing it. It's not oh, sorry, y'all. So sorry, Adejoke. Okay, here we go. I know one of my Yoruba family was going to say something. That Ota ala Roca don't have medicine. Ebo or Itutu, they the most dangerous one. Wow. So the Ota, what was that? Ota, I don't see that in my notes. Okay, here it is. The Ota Ile and the Ala Roca. The Ala Roca, the gossipers. Okay, I got you. Motibo is the most dangerous. And there he's saying that Baba Afolabi Eshuleke is saying that there is no medicine, there is no Ebo, there is no Itutu Ipueshe, any of that to stop the person. The Ota Ala Roca. That is the gossipers. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. I got a cow tongue to stop that though. Anyway, so anyway, y'all ain't hear that. Yeah, so that's the enemies. That's the list of the enemies. And that's to answer your question, Saya, is that the Alaroca, there is no remedy to protect that. Let me see. It's amazing that you spoke of gospels. I know no longer support that. Yeah. It's really the who do we do? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I got a cow tongue for that one. So there are a few Odu, and it's several Odu that I talk about, but it's 3 Odu I'm a reference here that speaks about this. Ofumejiepa, which speaks about Ayelokun, people living in the world like things exist together in the ocean. Enemies can reach each other across distance, just like positive energy travel. So somebody else can be in another country, in another state, and do juju against you. Like, serious. Like, really. Spirit, Orisha, and even Ajagun, anything that does not contain the physical body is omnipresent. Omnipresent, meaning they can be anywhere anywhere. They can be anywhere you are. Can be called anywhere. And a person's Ori, if it's not strong enough, can be called anywhere. Let's see. Yeah, Funlayo, wow, Ifa's so great because it's true. People will talk. You can tie up tongue, but somebody somewhere gonna be saying something. You know, like if you're not doing nothing, ain't nobody gonna talk about you. So hey, and it's really sad. So then O'Shea Torah speaks about spirits inhabiting the image or bodies of human beings as well. So you do have spiritual entities, like I would say Ajugun, that take form of human bodies that also do this to you. I mean, it could be some karmic energy. It can be some things from past lives, things that incarnate that you have to deal with also. Remember the energies that carry on lifetime. Only our Ori can save us from them. Yes, the Ori is the first defense. I agree with that. If your Ori is weak, because there's a saying that the Ori, no man, no woman, no Orisha, not even God, nothing can bless or curse you without the consent of your Ori. So that's why it's very important to continuously perpetuate your Ori and make your Ori strong. Because if your Ori is weak, you are susceptible to bondage, this negative spiritual bondage. So the next Odu is Awaran Kanran. Awani Kanran speaks of people coming to the world and choosing a destiny. You know, people can steal your destiny too. They can take bondage of your destiny, your Ori. And you see a lot of people that literally that's zombified, walking into the Walking Dead. Somebody done got their Ori. Let me see. Orita Metak Agba and Sly. The sixth junction encounter before birth. Important to go the right way. Make a good choice. Otherwise, you may wind up in a situation where you work like an elephant, but receiving like a rat. How many people are out there just working? They not seeing no efforts off of it at all. They not seeing no efforts. They just working, not seeing nothing. You know, they may show little. That's not normal either. That's not normal energy. Let's see, what does it say? Yeah, let me see. Yeah, Ori, first defense, all that. I'm reading my notes, y'all. Yeah, wicked people attack the non-wicked. Yeah, Antonisha, this is deep. This is really deep. But you know, it's deep. Warnings against enemies in the house. Even when people are being generous, helping people, the helper can bring misfortune upon themselves, even if they're not doing anything wrong. Caring for enemies inside the house, that's deep, will prevent them from bringing enemies from the outside. That's really deep. That's really deep. Kind of I guess being very watchful of the enemy. That's close to you. So the things that would help for protection, again, perpetuating your Ori, the first defense. One thing also I've learned over the years, and I love sleeping in the dark. I love it, but I can't anymore. I have to have a light on, a small night light. Even though I don't like it, I sleep better. Ajagoon can come, and spirits, people can sense stuff in the darkness, and they can attack you in the darkness, and you know you can have nightmares, you can have and anxiety, panic attacks, just up, can't sleep, or insomnia, those things. That's all spiritual. That's all spiritual, and you have to you can sleep with a little light on, real low light, that'll help a whole lot. Sleeping in a white sheet or a white blanket, things like that, that'll help. Don't sleep in anything dark, no black, no dark brown, dark blue, nothing dark, no red, things like that. Divination is important, whether it's Erin de Lagoon or Dafa. On the regular, some people get Dafa or Erin de Lagoon once a year. I don't know how they do that or don't get it. I just don't understand. I need insight. And I'm not the person that's obsessed, like be doing it, weekly or whatever. Only if it's urgent emergency type situation. But, consistently, I say the average, for priests, at least once or twice a month, is maintenance. For devotees, once every 2 to 3 months. Consistently, doing Ebo to just keep things at bay, just clear out things, open up the blessings, clear out the negativity. You do just like you do your spring cleansing, you do all of this, you saging, whatever y'all doing, stay on top of that. That's important. And doing O'Shea, if you got any shrines and you just got shrines that's dry as hell, dusty as hell, you ain't doing no work with them, what the hell you got a shrine for? That's what they for. They, like, at Shu, these people got these shrines, though. don't even be activating the Ashe. That's what they here for. They here to work for us and protect us and be our defense. Our ADT, our spiritual ADT system. So they don't do O'Shea. They don't throw the OB. They don't give no offerings, no EJ, no nothing. The shrine ain't ate since it got made, which could have been years, which is, I don't get it. But being consistent or doing your O'Shea is vital. How many people did O'Shea today? O'Shea Ifa, O'Shea Oshun, O'Shea Ori, O'Shea Oshun, Ifa, Olokun. Who did it? Who did it today? I hope y'all did it. You know, that's seriously. Go to your shrines and pray, Lord, lay your burdens down. Be like, yo, protect me, cover me. Look, in doing your prayer work, like I said, consistent Ori work, doing medicine, protect, you know, whether it's spiritual soaps, spiritual medicine that you orally take, talisman that you wear on the body, even washed, a leg cage you can wear, whether it's waist beads or E-Day. Oh, my E-Day is gone. Sheesh. I just noticed that. Wow. So, oh gosh. What, Baye? Okay, y'all talking so fast. So let me go back. Hold on, let me read some of these and then I'm gonna go back into my notes. Hold on. Yeah. Thanks, Afalabi, for that. That's, if you want to add them to this, you can. Really, seriously. Oh, okay, I'll do that. Type that. I'll do that. The Odus. Okay, Jaquetta, I can do that. What about generational inherited? You talking about trauma? Oh, Shauna, what about generational inherited energies from parents? I'm a newbie, so I won't speak the language. That's generational trauma. That's a whole nother thing that need to be dealt with. People not getting counseling like they need to. They not doing the work, confronting those types of demons. But yeah, that's a whole nother part. Like, people need to see counselors, psychologists, psychiatrists, therapists. We have them, and people need to utilize that, because the trauma will continue until you get the mental health work. That's a piece. You know, you can do all the spiritual work all day. That's not going that won't rid all of the trauma in the family lineage. I see Camille, me too. Oh my God, a former Bible might somebody do that. Yep. Yep. I wish I could sleep in all white. Like, I guess. Yeah, I can do it sometime. I like, you know what make me feel good? Initiation. I've still got my initiation cloth. So when I don't feel good, I wrap myself in my initiation cloth, and it really calms my spirit also. Yeah, let's see. Good, Camille, good. If I shoot, good. Baya, you crazy. Yeah, only is covered as your last prayer. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Let's see. I'm trying to read this really fast. I went to a Pentecostal on a beast that flows Ota a la Roca 2 Fridays ago. The energy spoke back because they had an audience. I walked. Oh, wow. That's a lot. That's a lot, mama. Let's see. I'm trying to read all that. Okay. All right. Let me see. So we gonna finish talking about this. There are, as I was told, from the Yoruba. Thank you. My good looks ain't gonna just keep my enemies away. That's actually bringing more. No, I beg to differ, Baye. Ajagun in sleep positions. Now listen to this. According to the Yoruba, listen to this. Sleeping on your back helps with thinking things through and issues or planning to do something. It facilitates your ori into answering questions. Sleeping on your left side can cause blockages and confusions. Ain't that deep? That's deep, according to the Yoruba. I wonder, that's very interesting. That's very, very, I wonder what about the right side, though. Because, can you put that down, please? Shaya, put that down. So that's really deep. Let's see. How do I make my Orbi strong? I'm still, well, one simple thing that helps with strengthening your Ori is actually go to bathe, right? Go bathe, do a spiritual bath, but you can do all natural soap. I can get into the spiritual bath thing later. After the bath, get into a still and quiet place and be naked. Kneel down or prostrate, flat on the floor, and grab your head. And pray. Like, with all your emotion from the tips of your toes to your hair follicles. From deep in your roots of your spirit to the crown of your head. And speak about everything. Lay everything on. That's why I said a quiet place. Nowhere, nobody is there. You still. You peace. You're clean. You have nothing to hide to your ancestors, to God Almighty, the Goddess Almighty, the Orisha, your spirit guides. You have nothing. You're submitting yourself, your mind, your body, and spirit, and you are opening. That's the best position. That is the best way. It's the purest form, the purest way to really, really surrender to Ori. And then according to the Yoruba and here in the diaspora, there's so many things that we offer to Ori. Cool water would do. Keeping a cold spray bottle in the refrigerator and just, I'm telling you, that does wonders. Like a little coldness up on the cold water on that Ori would do wonders. Coconut water is very soothing. It's so many things. In Nigeria, they use snail water. It helps cool the energy of the Ori. It's so many different offerings that's done. Wearing white on the head, cloth on the head, that helps. But what I just shared from my personal experience, and I've heard others also testimony with that, being in your purest form and grabbing your head and being still and praying to your Ori for protection. That'll help. Because when the Ori is weak, the body is weak. So when you strengthen the Ori, the body strengthens itself. Let's see. Oh, Baba Afalabi then. Speak on it. Come on, let me see. Ogundo Karan speaks about when Shango was in the midst of enemies, the same people he loved, talked, and played with were the same people that is talking bad against him. This bad talk is affecting... I gotta go back up. That was a lot. It's affecting his progress. People that's supposed to help him are avoiding him. They don't want to help him. Shango was told to feed his Ori very well. He was told to add 200 stones, red cloth to Ebo, and feed Eshu very well. He did that. What he was told. He did what he was told. Eshu turned his red cloth to fire and 200 stones to Edun Ara, which is thunderstones. Whenever they talked again, Shango would send his fire and throw his stones. That's how he overcame all his enemies. May Shango make us have victory over our enemies. Ashe. That's just like Ajila Shabor. Ajila Shabor in Eridin Lagoon speaks about having victory. Like serious victory over your enemies. Ishegun. Or in Obi Divination, where all four of the colonnade are down. Ishegun. May we all have victory over our enemies. May nobody May we not be under anybody's foot or anybody's bondage. And may you all connect with your Ori to strengthen up your Ori. So you can live long, have a peaceful life, a life full of joy. Because don't nobody want to suffer. I see a lot of people that suffer, that's just unhappy here while they're living. And they don't know joy. They don't know happiness. They just, the Walking Dead. Is very unfortunate. Thank you for that, Baba Eshuleke, the wisdom of Eshu. You gotta give it to Eshu. I need to go get him some palm oil right now and some strong OT for that message. I appreciate it. Did anybody want to ask any questions about any of this? I just wanted to just make you all aware of this topic because so many people just kind of nonchalant or naive about enemies. And it's it's levels to this. It's really levels to this. I'm telling you. Like, wow. Hey, Mama Shauna, how you doing? That's one of our therapists. Therapists, correct? That you all, anybody can reach out to and get some help. She's wonderful. She's awesome. She does a lot of community work here. And Mama Amasandra. And Ia Science. Yes, she's awesome. I think, please correct me if I'm wrong, psychologist. I'm bad with titles, so please teach me. If nobody else has anything to say or add or ask anything, I'm gonna wait. So what do you all do? Does anybody do anything to protect themselves on a regular basis from negativity, things that, and there's a lot of empathic people on this line that I know personally. You know, people absorb, they like a sponge and they absorbing. Hey. Oh, thank you. I got to correct. Thank you, yeah. That want to share anything, so people can, maybe just, just protect it. Be more aware. So if you want to share, yeah, I'm gonna type it in the comments after I'm finished, and put in the Odoo. Type in the Odoos. For sure, I'll do that. I'll make sure I won't forget that. Okay, Terrence, you say prayers and wear your talisman. I don't think it's never, like, some people like, you doing too much. Not to me, but like I don't need to do all that. I just need to sage. And I think I did a post on sage. Like, sage don't get rid of everything. Like, seriously. Okay, all right. Keeping your hair wrapped keeps your aura activated. Okay. I used to keep my hair, like, for 3 or 4 years. I used to wear my hair, just keep my hair wrapped, and it's true. Ancestors, a line of defense as well. Baba Eshuleke. Here, don't forget the Otai and Nushe. See, I don't have that one. That's what I'm saying. I need the whole list. I need that's enemies at work. And people that work all the time, you with your work, your co-workers, most say. Of course, you got jealous people that work with you, people that just, if they not in the position you in, and you got to be mindful. That's why I be setting up little talisman at work, deflective stuff, and sprinkling this, sprinkling that, because it's gonna be haters always, especially when you moving up. I'm telling you. Let's see. Be consistent. Pray the Ori. Okay, good. Praying the Ori is so important. Okay, praying to Ogun. Ogun ain't no joke. People be sleeping on Ogun. They think Ogun ain't no joke. He's a great Orisha to work with. protecting yourself and working them shrines you have, Nene. You got several shrines you need to be working. Like, you need to be doing that consistently. But, we had this conversation a while ago. Have to use a natural sea sponge to clean my orrery and clean it before leaving home. I forgot sometime. I sometimes we forget. That's why I like doing several things, because sometimes we forget to do certain things, So, anything from wearing gemstone crystals to, doing weekly spiritual baths, wearing talisman, lake A's, E-Day, doing your elbow, just being consistent all the way around with things. Yeah, co-workers can be real. Yeah, it's important for me to keep my O'Shea too. Yeah, Egg Bay. Oh my God, my life can be hectic if I'm not consistent with them. It like really hectic. They hide stuff. All this just cleaning your children's. Yes, you got to do what you do for yourself. You need to be doing for your children. Everything spiritual that you're doing for yourself, you need to do for your children. It's very important, because you know what? If they can't get to you, if your enemies can't get to you, guess who they trying to get to next? And they can. That's why sometimes you be, you good, and then next thing you know, your child is sick or they had an accident. That arrow was meant for you. They gonna get the closest one next to you. Best believe that. So everybody need to be get the fence around them. That's especially my kids. Believe that. Is there a resource list of mental health professionals in the tradition that you share? Yes, that's a good question. I do have a list, but they're all in the DMV area. Shauna, if you still on, and Sonya, if you're still on, can you post your information? I do have a list. There are quite a few Orisha practitioners that are psychologists, psychiatrists, licensed therapists, and they do incorporate they integrate Western medicine and their teachings, with the spiritual teachings with Orisha and other things. So they're more open and sympathetic to your needs and things like that, and more aware. So. Yeah, there are. I got to list those. You funny, Nene. Yeah, them crystals are show enough, for real. I had to. I told my coworkers who I was. I told them recently what I do, and they were like shocked, very, very, very shocked and surprised. But yeah. Yeah, Shauna, post your website. Oshundoyin. Mama Shauna is she's gonna post her information. Okay, Antonisha. But what energy do you rely on the universe? Because all energy ain't good energy. Which energy? And you gotta understand how to channel those different energies. Yeah, egg bag, yeah, because egg bag they can make your life real chaotic. Ogbato Baba Ekundayo, yeah. If you armored up, make sure your kids are armored up. Seriously, let me see. Yes, Helen's paradigm in Atlanta. Okay, thank you, ESI. Great. Yes. The weakest link in the chain will pop. Ooh, oh man, yes. We have to compile. That's a great idea. Let's help each other with that. I want to compile, because I've seen a directory for Black Girls Need Therapists. I think that's the name of it. It's a directory. It's an excellent directory. But we need one that's specifically for that are practitioners, whether they're practitioners in Isheshe or Lukumi or Santeria or any type of nature worship. I would say nature worship, Native American, whatever. We need that list, so we need to go ahead and compile that. Let's do that together. I'm so tired of hearing about folks talk about energy like everybody is an energy reader. Which energy? Yes, we got to know which energy, because I'm telling you, there are different negative, demonic energies. There are all kind of different energies. Yes, yes. I mean, I used to work at a salon, and I'm a hairstylist, so I'm always on somebody already. I had like water fountain. People was like, "What the hell is she doing?" I had a water fountain up there, and I had my little crystals and my little I forgot the name of it, but it's like the Asian octagon mirror, and I had that to catch the negative spirits, and I had my bamboo up to break up this and all that. My station was very peaceful. You ain't coming up in my chair. You gotta do that. You have to form a feng shui at your workplace, at school, wherever you are, wherever you go. Your space need to be peace. It need to be like, like this. Understand that. So set it up, and you can do that without really having anybody notice. You can hang stuff above the, like bells, like hanging. If you have your own office, you can hang up bells and stuff. And bells break up stuff. People think that's decoration. Hell, it's breaking up your negative energy. Every time you walk by them bells ring, girl. I'm telling you, essential oils. Put a stone there. You can set up a space wherever you are to make sure. Come here. I'm telling you, you don't know. So like, yeah, you do know. I'm telling you, have a little spray bottle and have your little Amiero, whatever, be squirting on kind of stuff. So whoever uses Florida water, you can take it, put it. I'm telling you, all of that. I need all of that. The grids, crystal grids are very powerful. You can hook that up wherever you are, your desk at work or wherever. Them, even when you a teacher, them kids, they bring them negative energies from their homes and all that, and they dropping it off with you. Set up your classroom, hook it up, different things that you can, chains, yep, all of that. Energies speak. Who is this? Oh, hey, Ifa Sade. Energies speak when there are no words. That's right. When somebody enter, you can feel their energy before they even speak, especially when you're, yep. That's why you got to stay armored up. If you're empath, you got to stay armored up. It's serious. Have no idea what the person, yep. That's right. Reiki. Anything that's going to bring peace to my space. Anything. I'm telling you. That's right. Set the door up. You can hang up a little inconspicuously something over the door. So I don't know if y'all ever did this, put up a little charm or talisman up at the door, and a person won't cross over the threshold. It's working, because they won't bring that up in that space. Make sure you do that. Bottle, yeah. Make sure you do that, because so they won't bring that in. Put your little mirrors facing outwards on the windows if you in the window space, so that the negative things can be caught in the mirrors. Yeah. We need a juju class. I need to do that juju class in the fall. We need to go ahead and we need all armor by any means necessary, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this live. This is my last live for probably the rest of the year. I think I'm saying that now, but I'm saying that right now. I love y'all. Oh, Jessica, mirrors are the truth. Mirrors and bells will save your life. Mirrors and bells. And water. Keisha, you ain't never lied. Just setting water Just putting water by your bed, you know, water by on your desk, a glass of what you ain't never lied. That's real. It's real. Reiki is very, very powerful. It is the bomb. It is the bomb. It's the truth. I've been a Reiki practitioner since I was 16 and had my Reiki 2. I was pregnant with my second, so 15 years. Yeah, I need to go. I need to go and do some heavy studying and getting into this book. Aboroboye Baba Awosami. What going on in the Trinity? That's right. Water has no enemies. Damn, that's facts. Yeah. It's been a good this been a good talk. Yeah, I need to go inside and do some more studying. That came out in the Odu reading of the year that all practitioners of Ifa and Orisha, all devotees need to study. It's very important to study and get it back on your skills and adding more knowledge to what you have. So I need to go within and do that. Social media can take up a lot of your time. Clutter. Oh God, clutter. Ajagoon live in clutter. So yeah, it's important. It's important to free your space. Yes, I will summon. Yeah, the clutter is. Egbe hate clutter. Egbe and Oshun hate clutter. Egbe will ruin your life for clutter. Ask my son. Ask Awudele. They will ruin your life for clutter and mess. It's like seriously. They'll make you go crazy in the head too. That's right. Got to study. It's very important. Very important. And it's time for me to just get this book together. And I got 2 of them in here. So let me get this first one out. I love y'all. I'm about to sign off now. I'll put the Odu in there, and Mama, let's get together by compiling this list. I'm gonna reach out and see. I know quite a few. Akan and Yoruba, all that's therapist, psychiatrists. Are you gonna live in clutter? Yes. They hate it. They hate clutter. All of that. I'm telling you. What? My one book is the first book is my memoirs. How I went from hood to Orisha. How I got here. So that's gonna be deep. And the other one is exposing the goddess and reawakening the goddess within the feminine divine being reawakened in us, and goddess worship, and how important the feminine divine is, and to recognize her in all that we do. Oh, I love you too, Ia. I miss you. It's been too long, like seriously, too long. I'm out. I gotta go. I gotta, kind of wind down and chill. I got things to do. All right. I love y'all. I'm out. Hit me up. Peace. Odabo. Oh, you're amazing, Shauna. You're amazing. I love you.